adventure.
Not a very good one. We had a bit of a plumbing issue. We've had a rebuild, new kitchen, but we're back and we have an exciting, very simple, very healthy recipe for today. What is it, kids?
It is banana pancakes.
Banana protein, yes.
Yeah.
Ooh, yes. So, very quickly, Oshi, what are we putting in here?
So we have got almond milk, a couple of eggs, vanilla essence, bananas, cinnamon, baking powder, whichever protein you want, and oats.
You never know what happens behind the scenes, but we're going to start with half a cup of almond milk. We've got 2 eggs.
Cool.
There we are. Jackie, you go first, buddy.
This is his first time.
That's it. Ooh, well done. That's it. And throw the shell in there, love. Obi, your turn. Just wipe it on your shirt, Jack.
No. Even I get nervous.
That's it.
There we go.
Okay, Jack,
Yeah.
you can put the vanilla in.
Okay.
This is so easy. Everything just in the one. Yes, so we got 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence.
That smells good.
Here you go, Obi.
Looks like
1 teaspoon of baking powder.
And then it's baking.
We've gone for 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, or you can go half if you. Jackie, you want to pop that in?
Okay, it smells so good. Cinnamon's one of my favorite smells. Or cinnamon.
That's it. Just tap it. Obi, you can put
Yep.
half a banana, a nice ripe banana. As you can see, we're putting the liquids in first so that the powders don't stick to the base.
This is so
Around 1/4 of a cup of protein. We are using a nice high quality whey protein. Jack, do you want to pop that in? It's a vanilla protein,
Smells
but
so
use
good.
whatever you like.
And
Last but not least,
the oats.
1 cup of
I just had to
oats.
smell it.
The oats are taking over the table.
Just
Look at that.
good amount.
Now we're ready to blend. We're all done. So we've got a really nice batter here. So here we go. I've put a little bit of coconut spray in the pan. Oshi, you want to pour that? That's it.
Yeah, that's definitely a circle.
Yeah, and we'll come
Join
over
up.
here.
It's gonna join up with that little gap.
I think these are going to be so yummy, Jack.
I think they're all gonna join up into a massive hole.
They might. Excellent. Now, just like a normal pancake or pie we're just going to let it bubble up and then we're going to turn it.
Yeah, like popcorn.
So we got some bubbles happening here. So I'm going to give it a flip. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Ooh.
They're so fluffy. I can see, look at all those bubbles. So now we're going to leave that for a little bit. We'll just lift the side in about 40 seconds and check that, and then we're just going to keep going.
And there we have it. The banana protein pancakes are done.
And there we have it. We're all done. Don't they smell delicious?
Delicious.
All
I'm
right.
gonna put honey on mine.
All right, Jack, you wanted the
This is
oval
just
one.
a YouTube recipe video.
Over, you pick which one you want.
I want this one.
Okay.
Actually, I won't have.
It smells delicious. Anyway, very, very quick and easy. You can punch it out after school, lunch, morning tea. Is it nice?
How many will we get?
We got heaps.
They're so fluffy.
Nice and healthy. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.